Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about binomial expansion. So now I will show you how to answer. The formula of this one that should be about the summation and k equals to number 0 to number 5. And we have combination. We have 5k. So I will choose about s. So that means s to the power of k. And we have y. So we have number 5 in here. We minus k. Now, if we do about the expansion of this one, you got like this. So we need to simplify. C5 of 0, you got about 1. S to the power of 0, you got about 1. So we have y to the power of 5. This one, you got about 5. And we have sy to the power of 4. This one, C5 of 2, you got about 10. This is about number 3. This one, we have number 10. This one, we have number 5. This one, you got about number 1. This one, you got about number 1. And we have s to the power of 5. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.